Welcome to Paiza Automation. We are one-stop experts for all your industrial repair needs. We are situated just 1 minute away from the new Passport Office, Munwa Road, in Power One Complex. Our location is easily accessible from Hadapsar Industrial Estate and MIDC areas of Ranjangaon and Chakarn. You can send your drives via courier or come in person to our office. Once you reach, our technical executive coordinates with you. He unboxes the drive in front of you. In the initial examination, he takes all the details of the faulty drive and make the GRN of the drive and its fault. If you have special repair needs, you can easily talk to our directors. Furthermore, we make a repair drive entry in our database. This ensures tracking of repair service done over time. Once the entry is made, a yellow tag is created with the fault details and pasted on the drive. With all the fault details ready, the drive goes to the repair station. It is carefully handed to our repair engineers and briefed about the faults in the drive. Our repair engineers starts with the general inspection of the drive. Firstly, the drive is procedurally dismantled. He inspects the components which might be faulty at the initial level. The drive then goes under full diagnostic inspection. Here, the drive is examined at each component level. The faulty parts are removed and replaced with working ones. Along with the inspection, we clean the drive thoroughly. Our repair expert removes the dust and meticulously washes it with the solution. This process pulls out all the minute dirt particles. We apply a heat sink compound for better heat dissipation. The whole cleansing process improves the drive's functionality. Following the refurbishing process, the drive is carefully assembled back from components. It is live tested for proper working order. Current is checked by a clamp meter. After the repair process, the drive is brought to dispatch. Dispatching can be done by courier or can be collected by the client. Our executive creates the invoice for the customer. Then he hands over the repaired and working drive. Our complete drive repair process might take few hours to a couple of days depending upon the complexity of repair required. We repair all types of servo drives, servo motors, VFDs of all major brands, SMPS and PLC of Siemens, encoders and soft starters. Contact us today for all your industrial repair needs.